So, Chigozie, what do you think? Is that a fitting name for her? Did I get the translation right? Let me know in the comment section below. So, like this video and leave me a comment below about what you think about it. Share this with all the Chigozies that you know. Make sure you subscribe to my page and also hit the bell button so that you can get a notification anytime I post a new video. Hit my Instagram DM in the description below if you would like to send your Igbo name in for an Igbo name of the day. And if you don't have an Igbo name, don't worry, I'll gift you one. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Take care.